Yo, what's good, gang? Uh, got some more hip hop news for y'all. Another shot rapper. This time coming out of LA. Slim 400 out of YG camp. Um, Shot dead last night in Inglewood, California, I believe. Um, I came across some disturbing footage while looking for research for this video online. It is very graphic. Viewer discretion is advised. Y'all take a look at this. All right. So yeah, that was the video of Slim 400 being shot and killed from a doorbell video. Um, it looks like this was the doorbell video from the camera where he was shot and killed in front of. Some say it was his dad's house. Some say he was visiting someone he knew. But from the looks of it, he was fighting. He was fighting. He was holding on, and yeah, he got caught slipping. That's number one. Um, if you didn't know, Slim 400 was shot back in 2019 nine times. Yes, nine times. Um, he was able to survive that attack. Some people are calling him the next 50 Cent for that.
I was just pulling up on my block within my neighborhood to, holler at my family before I kind of hit the road to go handle my business and, do shows and etc.
You're in your neighborhood in your car.
Yeah.
Okay. And I guess you had some other people in the car with you also, right?
Yeah, I had two bros in the car, but my vehicle was hella tinted. So when I jump out to go see my family, like, I guess these dudes was already on the block waiting for anybody to pull up to do whatever they was gonna do, but I was the one they caught, so jumped out of it.
Oh, you jumped out.
And my bros stayed in the car.
Okay, and your friends didn't get shot.
Nah, like I say, my tent so black. I got front tent on my front window, sides, all that. So once I jumped out and it's dark, they just thinking I'm by myself. They don't see nobody.
Um, to me, it's really ironic that he got shot in his hometown. To me, it looked like he was just chilling. And it's coming like 3 weeks after Nipsey got shot. You know what I mean? So that's even, I mean, not Nipsey, excuse me, Young Dolph got shot. It's 3 weeks after Young Dolph got shot. And it's like, dang, bro, I just told my lady this. Honestly, I was like, watch, after Young Dolph got shot, I was like, somebody else gonna get shot in the next couple of weeks. And these rappers are getting shot like left and right. It's like you can predict it sometimes, but that's sad, bro. Bro had to go out like that. Um, he was a blood from Cali. He was a blood rapper. Some say it had to do with some beef that was going on in the streets, and some say that it was just he was at the wrong place at the wrong time. Some people said he was in the wrong neighborhood, like he wasn't even supposed to be in that neighborhood just because of how the streets are working right now. But that's neither here nor there for me to talk about. I really just made this video for y'all. Honestly, it's just crazy. You know what I mean? Dead at the age of 33. Another rapper dying in his own city. You know what I mean? And another rapper whose graphic death has been shown to us. Just think about that. Just think about that. Nipsey, we saw him get shot down. King Von, we saw him get shot down. Mo 3, we saw him get chased down before he got shot down. Dolph, they ain't showed us nothing, but they did show us the supposed shooters after he got shot down. And then we have this footage of Slim 400 getting shot down to death. I don't know if they're trying to numb us to this shit and make it seem like it's normal. So when rappers get shot, we ain't gonna care. But regardless, these people got families, they got friends, they got loved ones, they got people that care about them. At the end of the day, this is just us letting people know what's going on, showing a little bit of respect. Yeah, man. This is just crazy, bro. Like, yeah, it seemed like it's somebody else every other day. But y'all stay safe out here. Rest in peace to Slim 400, dead at the age of 33, shot down in Los Angeles, California. My thoughts and prayers go out to his family and friends, and his camp, his kids. Hopefully this wasn't no gang stuff. I hope this was just like an accident, wrong place, wrong time, something like that. But yeah, that's gonna do for this one. It's your boy Weasel. Y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, click that bell. I'll drop another reaction for y'all coming soon. And I'm out this thing. Yee!